2011 Nissan Rogue. Customer states, lost in acceleration, changed air filter, nothing happened. Still same shit.
They were asked what's the most annoying behavior amongst commuters on airplanes.
Changed the air filter. It's oiled.
I don't know that this would be the same here. I think it's more
Timu, but
on trains because of the way
in my opinion, still better than a Fram. Yeah, that doesn't fit anymore. I'm gonna have to unscrew it down there and yeah, I don't know, figure it out. But that might be your issue. Seems that 5-0's trying to go west. You're Nissan. Today's technically my Monday. What's that virus you get from mice? Awesome.
Their only way of passing the time.
Mutant Chris coming your way.